Baka makasama.
Okay lang. Mag-hi ka muna. Tanda na niya ako. So, there you go. I'm in drugs. So, it's really a false alarm. Summer na. Oh no! My God, saan mo gagamitin ang mga quote na dala mo, Cesar? So, what is the pink one?
I will tell you everything, so don't worry.
Hanana! Welcome back to my channel, Hanana! So today is very exciting day because Eid holiday ngayon and magta-travel ako sa Europe, sa Schengen area. So first up, I'm very excited kasi this will be my first time na papasok sa Schengen area. So, I've been to Europe, several parts of Europe. Romania, Montenegro, Georgia. And now is very special kasi ngayon lang ako papasok sa Schengen area. So first stop, I'll be flying from Dubai to Prague, Czech Republic. And then from then on, I will hop on to Munich, then Vienna, and flight Paris. So, samahan niyo ako sa travel na ito. I'm so excited. Let's go! So, done check-in. But apparently, kung kailan pa ako nagbayad ng mahal, kung kailan pa ako nag-Emirates, saka pa ang pangit-pangit ng aking seat number. Wala daw windows, I don't know. But what can I do? Ganun talaga. Full flight ngayon is holiday here in UAE. So, lahat ata, almost everyone is traveling. Kasi full pack. Parang isang oras na ako dito sa airport. And saka pa lang ako nakapag-check-in. So, done. Check-in. I'm so excited. Now, heading to Prague. But before that, kakain muna ako ng isang mabilis sa lounge. Okay. See you. Bye! Pass through immigrations, and dahil wala pa akong tulog, nakikik in na yung aking antok. Antok na ako. So I'm going now up. There you go. So tinamaan na ako ng gutom, so I really have to go to the lounge para to take a few breakfast, very light. So yun. Hopefully, wala masyadong tao. So, let's go to Marhaba.
Baka makasama.
Okay lang. Mag-hi ka muna. Tanda na niya ako.
Regular. Ano itong menu sa ano?
Teka lang ha. So, as I was saying, ang ganda ng video shot. So, nandito na ngayon ako sa Marhaba. And waiting for my my boarding. And may nakakilala sa akin yung nandito sa Marhaba. Ano nga siya, sando ako ngayon. Kasi the last time na makausap namin siya ng close is during our Israel trip. And then I saw her again when I'm going to Bangkok. I mean to Thailand. And alam niya na parang after a while na lang ako nag-travel 6 months. Sabi ko kasi medyo kailangan pag-ipunan yung destination ko. Kaya ayun. Kaya kailangan tumigil muna. Although unluckily, I supposed to go about 3 days quick sa Armenia kasama ng mga kaibigan ko. Kaya nga lang, wala namang flight yung time na yun. So let me get back to you later pagkatapos kong kumain at pag-boarding na. So now tapos ng Marhaba and now I'm going na doon sa aking gate kasi it's supposed to be boarding na. So I have to look for like B3, that's my boarding gate. And ang daming tao. Even kanina pang umaga, so around 4 o'clock dumating ako. Ang tagal bago magkaroon ng check-in. So now it is here B25, B27, B29, dire-diretso. So, I'm not really sure. It says 7:50 mag-start yung boarding. So, but then again, I have to go. Right? At saka antok na ako. I don't know kung bakit hindi ako nakatulog. I was just actually sleeping katulog ako kanina ng mga around kanina pala pagkarating ng trabaho. So natulog ako up to like 6 o'clock kasi hindi ako makatulog. So ngayon antok na ako. So where's B3? So I think they're here. My God. So there you go. Here it says 7:50, not yet boarding. Yeah, thank you. Hi, good morning. Would you mind if the exit row is already filled? Are we put overbooked, right?
So overbooked by 100%.
No upgrade for the day?
Oh, that one's
So, at last, ready to board. And we're supposed to leave at 8:55. Hopefully walang delay. And that's my baby right there. This one is going to Prague, and the other one is going to this A380 will be going to Germany. But I will be taking that one going back here in Dubai. So yeah. So it's really fascinating dito sa airport talaga ng Dubai. It says here business class.
Welcome. It's a full cabin.
I can't read. This is safe business class? Hi, good morning. Traffic. I should go this way. Oh shit.
That's my 38.
Oh, sorry. Here. Sorry. Oops. I thought I'm really sorry for that.
No worries.
A few moments later.
Safely arrive here in Prague. And nakatulog ako. And thank you. There you go.
Very much.
Hi.
Have a lovely day, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
It's past 1 o'clock and I arrive here in Prague. So now the next move is to figure out how I can go to my hotel. So yung hotel ko nag-send sa akin ng descriptions and ways on how I could get there. So sasakay ako ng bus, sasakay ako ng train, sasakay ako ng tram. So tatlong sakayan for about like a 45 minutes drive. 45 minutes travel. So let's see. Let me cross the immigration first, get my bag, and I'll see you later. That's Vaclav Havel Airport Prague. Yep. There you go. So, parang maliit lang yung airport ng Prague. Kasi parang magkakasama rin yung departure at saka yung arrival. As of now, nandito ako sa arrival, departure. Just a look. So, I am walking on the same area kung saan naandun yung departure o yung naghihintay yung mga tao. So, thank God nakatulog ako ng kaunti at least may energy ako. Although I'm losing my voice. Hindi ko alam bakit. Maybe because madami ako nainom na wine. So, I'll return back to you pag nakalusot na ako ng immigration. Okay, bye! My bags. Hindi ko na siya. So, ang gwapo ni Junjun. I'm waiting for my bag. Oh, it's here. Yep. Yeah. There you go. Let's go, darling. So, try ko yung public transport. So, pag-exit ko ng airport, it's bus number 100 going to Silicin. And from Silicin, sasakay ako ng tren. I purchased 90 minutes ticket which cost me about 3 dirhams. And so, nasa terminal 2 pa lang kami. Silicin ako dapat so I'll keep you updated later. So still here in the bus and false alarm tayo. Summer na ang temperature dito sa Prague. And sayang ang pang taglamig na suot. Ang init, 26 degrees. So yeah, so that's why I'm wearing shirt. Tinanggal ko yung jacket ko. And there you go. Same bus as next to Dubai. And after this bus, bababa ako. Sakay naman ako ng metro. Ayun. Kung kailangan transportation, nakakatipid. So I'll come back to you for more information. So pagdating ko sa ng airport, pagbaba ko ng airport, madali lang. Hindi naman tinanong kung hinanap pa yung visa ko. After ng visa, exit, wait for my bag. And I'm sorry for my bag. Bago siya. And there's a crack already. After nang ma-pick up yung bag, pumunta lang ako sa vending machine ng public transportations. Tapos meron dun mga parang 30, 20, 90. So pumili ako ng 90 kasi estimated is 45 minutes yung travel time. So 90 yung kinuha ko. To my surprise, it's only chinarge lang ako ng bangko ko. Binayaran ko na siya ng credit card for 3 dirhams and 16 pills. So, napakamura. Diba? Hindi ko guys, sa Dubai pa nga parang 3 dirhams every sakay. So, yun. I'll keep you updated once nakasakay naman ako ng metro. Okay? So, finally arrived here in the metro stations of Silicin. And I'm on my yellow lane B bus. So it says I have to go for like 11 stop to Narodny to be able to reach my hotel. So, ayan. So basically I was so afraid like taking a new transport kasi yung experience is like exciting as well as revealing ano tawag doon, nalimutan ko na, pero nakakatawa kasi ang dali lang naman pala. So pagdating ko ng airport, sumakay lang ako ng bus number 100 and then bumaba sa Silicin metro stations. Then from Silicin sasakay lang ako ng B line going to Narodny to my hotel. Tapos yun na, madali. It's not that hard. same as goes as Dubai, kung paano tayo sumasakay. Siyempre, bago, kaya medyo afraid. So, definitely, I'm here. So, I just have to be careful dahil kailangan ko mabasa ng road. Shoop! Finally arrived! So nasa na road din ako. And street. Ulis Street. Nakatakot naman to. Nakatakot. Parang walang tao sa walang nasa kanyang lipa siya. Alright. Teka lang. So, use only lane. On your right, restaurant. Okay. So, there you go. I'm in Prague. So, ngayon lang ako nakarating sa aking hostel, which is ayan. And welcome to Prague. There you go. Welcome to Prague. There is the reception and travel backpackers. And good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. I'm sorry. So, done checking. Ngayon, I need to find some water at saka makakain. Pero bisitahin ko muna yung Old Town daw ng Prague. So, ayun. Ano guys? So, kain muna ako kasi medyo gutom na ako ng kaunti lang. I'm pretty hungry. I need some booze. So, it's really a false alarm. Summer na. My God, saan mo gagamitin ng mga quote na dala mo, Caesar? So, now I'm heading to the Old Town just to visit since 11 minutes lang naman yung layo niya. And much up to my expectation na winter, lahat ng tao ay naka-summer outfit na. See? So I'm here sa Old Town and I'm going to do a beer tasting. So this is 6 I supposed to eat, pero I was thinking of like try na natin yung beer tasting for the first day. And ayan ang Old Town. There you go on the other side. And there's a lot of cute guys there. Take a picture. So I am in holiday every day. Alright, beer tasting. So what is the pink one?
I will tell you everything, so don't worry. Let's start with, we have 2 tracks for you, sir. First one is how to drink the beer tasting, so we're gonna start with number 1.
Alright.
And we will finish with our daily special. Second track, which is more important for you, is how we order and number the beers in Fat Cat. So it goes from 1 to 6 in the menu, and it's exactly the same like in the beer tasting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good.
Alright, good.
Now for the more interesting, information. So number 1, Fat Cat, which is our the first one is beer tasting. It's our own beer with our own recipe, so you can find it elsewhere in Prague, just here at Fat Cat. So if you liked it, well, we are waiting for you to come again, okay? Yeah. Second one, which is Mayor. Mayor is light blonde lager, typical Czech beer. Third one, which is Weizenbier. Weizenbier is so famous in Germany, and it's have our special touch, which is have the smell of banana.
Alright.
So you want to try now? Please go ahead.
I'll go the way that you're saying.
So number 4, which is Merlin. Merlin is a dark lager, and you know what's the stout taste?
Like bitter something?
Well, you know Guinness?
Yeah, it's the same.
Well, it's like Guinness, but Guinness have more chocolate taste. This one have more coffee taste.
I don't taste any chocolate in the gin. Anyway,
Me too. So fifth one, which is sherry beer, it's exactly the same like the second one, but this one is infused with sherry, so it gives you like more fruity, sweet taste.
All right.
And for the last one, which is the most interesting one, it's our daily special.
How does it taste?
Well, it tastes like raspberry.
All
It
right.
have a little bit sour taste in it, so that's why we call it raspberry sour taste.
All right, that's great.
Yeah,
Thank
it's totally yours now. Cheers and enjoy. Have a good day.
you
Bye.
so much. Can I have an ashtray?
What?
Ashtray.
Ashtray for the smoke.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thank you. So let's start our beer tasting. So I'm gonna sip each first before finishing it. Something like the second one, which is Mayor. Tastes like ordinary beer. Third one is Raisin. Oh yeah, definitely there's a banana on it. And the fourth one is Merlin. It says just like Guinness, but more chocolatey. And fourth one is cherry beer. I really like this one. And the last one is time limited special rotating tap. I'm not really sure what this is, but this is their special. Oh wait. I like this one. Of course, the Guinness taste, and this one tastes like banana or something. All right. So ba tayo pag dumarating na tao? There we go. Alright, let's start and smoke and later on walk. So I don't have any agenda today because I just landed. I'm just gonna go wherever I should be or wherever my feet leads me. So yun lang. Okay.